Welcome! In today's video, we're going to walk through how to prevent specific users from seeing your birthday on Telegram web using your PC. Telegram's latest update gives you more control over who can view your personal information, and it's super easy to set up. First, let's begin by opening Telegram web on your computer. Once the page loads and you've logged into your account, look toward the top left corner of the screen. You'll see three horizontal lines. This is the menu button. Click on it to open your main settings panel. Next, from the menu that appears, select Settings, then go to Privacy and Security. This section is where Telegram allows you to manage what information is visible to others, including your phone number, last seen profile photo, and now your birthday. Scroll down until you find the birthday option and click on it. Here, you'll see several visibility settings. By default, Telegram may have it set to Everybody, meaning anyone who interacts with you can see your birthday. To customize this, click on Never Allow. After selecting Never Allow, Telegram will prompt you to choose specific people from your contacts or chats that you don't want seeing your birthday information. Simply type in their names or select them directly from the list that appears. Take your time to pick the users you want to restrict. Once you've chosen the users, go ahead and hit Confirm. Telegram will save your changes instantly, and those selected users will no longer be able to see your birthday on your profile